Start with adding whatever is your product. Unit is 300 ml. We are approximately adding 250 ml. Once the product is added, a magnetic bead is provided with the unit. Kindly release the bead. Now there is a cork jacket provided with the unit. Water inlet, water outlet. Warning. Gradually release it in the center. The unit is ready. Now we are going to place the lamp inside the unit. The lamp has to be placed in the center. Now we are going to connect the accessories. First, insert the silicone tube, which is a sampling tube, inside. A blind, a port with a hole. Now, this is a flexible sensor provided. Insert it. It would touch the central glass and go inside. There are two vertical bands mentioned, so the connection has to be done. Now this unit is completed. Unit is assembled at the back side. Controller with 250 UV, 250 VX. Then the cable which is coming from the cabinet. When you want to switch UV light, the cable with a 2-pin has to be connected to UV. When you want to use the visible light, the cable has to be connected to visible. 250 UV, 250 visible. Now we are going to show you water connection. This is a digital tank. Inlet will connect to the outlet of the cabinet, and outlet of the tank will connect to inlet. So left to left, left side, outlet to inlet, and inlet to outlet. So there is no confusion. To show you how the connections have to be done inside the unit. There is a clamp which is pre-mounted inside the unit. A magnetic drive is provided. Just plug it inside. Place the complete unit inside and use the behind connection. Switch it on. Align it. Now once this is done, we are going to mount the reactor inside. To connect the sensor. A PID is provided with the unit. 2-pin connector. Just plug it in, rotate it. A 230 power source is provided. Just place it on the tank. Now we are showing you how the connections have to be done to the inner unit. 2 vertical and 2 dots. Vertical to vertical has to be connected. Just take the unit inside, plug it in. Now we are going to show you how water connection has to be plugged in. Water inlet will connect to water inlet. Water outlet will connect to water outlet. Now we are going to clamp the unit. Start with one nut. There you go. The second. The unit is mounted inside. Align the magnetic drive in the center. Now we are going to switch on the unit. By doing that, we have switched on the pump. Start with circulating. Now you will see water falling inside. it is filling inside the jacket from the water inlet. Here you see the level rising. See, water is entering from here. You can see the air bubbles going inside with the water. This will fill up the jacket and go out from the water outlet. See, the water has risen. Water has filled and it is going back into the tank. Now we are placing the lamp again. There is a 3-pin connector with a slot. I have just plugged it in and locked it. You have to do this before you start the lamp. Once this is done, we close the lid. Now we are going to set the magnetic drive RPM to 800. The magnetic drive will start rotating. Now once this is done, we are going to switch on. Now once this is done, you are able to monitor the inner temperature. The magnetic stirring is there. You are circulating water. The unit is installed. Now we are going to show you how you are able to draw samples. Just connect a syringe provided with the unit. You could draw samples even when the reaction is going in. Even if you want to add samples, just lift the tube, connect whatever sample you want to add and just pump it inside. The syringe has to be continuously connected to the unit. You could just place it anywhere. Now we are going to start the controller. Now because we have connected the UV lamp, we will start by switching on the UV lamp. Okay. Check all things. Now we are going to show you how to set the timer. Press set. First digit will start blinking. If you want to go to next, press reset. Press reset. Now because it's a demo video, I am going to set the time to 5 minutes. I will make this 0. Go to the next digit. Set it to 5. Once this is set, press set. So now the lamp will work for 5 minutes, and once it is 5 minutes are over, it will automatically switch off. There is a buzzer provided here. Now when I press this and start, the buzzer will become off. Now the lamp has, after 5 minutes, the buzzer will switch on and give an alarm saying the time is completed. How to know whether the lamp has started? It is indicated. There is a dot which is blinking indicating reverse timer. So it will become 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now you can see the lamp on inside. The lamp is glowing. This is a 250 watt UV lamp. The complete unit is ordered for Goa University. Digital tank, temperature indicator, main reactor 300 ml, digital magnetic drive, or dual lamp controller with UV 250, VIS 250. Unit manufactured by Lilisi.